Hey everyone, I just got my August 2016 YarnBox Classic shipment in the mail. Very excited about this one. Some of you guys already know why. I'll get to that in just a moment. We got some papers. Oh, we got a wash in this one. Nice. Okay. Talk about the yarn. Oh, I got pink and green. These are my favorite colors. I love pink and I love green. So, the yarn, it's actually 50% alpaca and 50% wool. This is yarn, it's foreign, which I believe the paper explains exactly what it is, but it feels really nice. It seems to be a very nice, hardy yarn. Okay, cool. We got a bookmark here that double or nothing, reversible knitting for the adventurous. That's really cool. Reversible knitting is a lot of fun. Oh, look at that super cute hat. Okay. And then we got Mary Beth Temple. And oh, that's a cool cow. That's cute too. Thank you for your subscription. We love you. That's really cool. It's a soak. These, I tell people, are really cool to keep. If you're not going to use them, if you have like a big container of soap that you use, save these and give them with as the stuff you make. If you give it out as a gift to somebody, give them a soak to go with it. And that way they will know, okay, I can't just throw this in the washer or dryer. This has a special way I need to wash it. This is what I wanted to get to. Straight out of Norway. Okay, this yarn is from Norway. The beginning of this month's yarn company, Ruma Garn. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong, guys. Okay, well, it gets into the information about the company, which I will have direct links to everything that I can find in the description below. And it talks about it, which it is 50% wool, 50% alpaca, and has about 109 yards per skein. You get 4. So you get 436 yards, 2 colors for perfect color work. Double knit design. Did the cow. Okay. We got the cow. And then it talks about, this is the crochet design. And then look what they mentioned here. That's my name right here. That's me. Resident loom knitter Amanda Pratt has also created a new pattern for this month. You can find all 3 patterns today in your YarnBox pattern library. Be sure to join us on our Ravelry page. And then, oh, I love this. I love the little stitch cards. These I think are so cool. I keep every single one of these because I never know when I want to go back and reference this. But I want to show you guys my pattern. Okay, I've been in the middle of moving, so I don't have the gloves here, and I'm so sorry, but I don't want to wait to do the video. Okay, here they are. That's the colors I originally got. I like the pink and green better. I love pink and green. But these colors were really fun too. This is actually, it's a learning pattern. So it has cables going down the front, and in the middle of the front is a 2-stitch, 2-colored cable. On the back, which, let me scroll down here. On the back of it, it has like a zigzag that goes all the way down. And I go into a bunch of information. I like to use pictures and stuff, which of course you can go and get the pattern. Yes, here we go. Here's a good picture. All right, I gotta hold my computer really close. It shows the back and the front. You got the zigzags on the back and the cables on the front. And as you can see, I did the gloves opposite each other. And it's a Harley Quinn inspired glove. Just because if you look at all the comics and everything she wears is like just 2 different colors and it's all backwards and mismatched and just awesome. And with the movie coming out, it was a nice name to give something. But I'm so excited. My name is in print in YarnBox. Yay! That's me right there. Congrats to everybody else too. Sorry guys, I'm a big nerd. Alright, so we got wonderful yarn. You got 3 free patterns this month. You even got a wool wash. Now my pattern, the gloves, with the length they come to about here. It only takes 1 skein of each. So you can make them for you, and you can make a matching pair for a friend of yours if you would like. Or you can make them very long, like up to your elbows if you would like. Lots of different variations you can do, of course. And definitely feel free to email me pictures of your gloves when you're done. And everybody knows If you have any issues reading the pattern or following the video, please send me an email. I do my best to try to get back to all the emails as fast as I can. Emails do work better than leaving comments on my videos, unfortunately, because sometimes I'll get so many comments that I will have some that will kind of get lost along the way, and I do apologize for that. And I'm trying to get a better system going so that I can get through it better. As you can see, I'm still using my countertop. I don't have my office up yet. We still have some unpacking to do, so I'm getting there. But it's going to be wonderful when it's done, and I will be so much more organized, and you guys are going to start seeing a whole lot more videos and patterns from me. Had to kind of step back a little bit to get into our house. Everything is awesome. I love our home. Out in the country, it's great. All right, guys, enough rambling from me. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you to everyone who had sent in requests for loom knit patterns. This is awesome. The only company right now doing these, guys, so this is a big deal. I'm happy about this. I'm very excited. I'm very proud to be part of it. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening to me ramble, and don't forget to subscribe. If you like YarnBox, all the information to get your own is in the description below. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.